All right, let's talk about the second part of the pre-chorus, all right, from the I Won't Hold It Back Again. So we're going to do this in 3 ways as well, but we're going to kind of combine and mix and match a little bit in terms of the vocal functions that we're using. So I'm going to start with a strong chest voice for the I Won't Hold It Back Again, blah, 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 but then we're going to move into a very drastically flipped, intentionally breathy head voice on the word hide. Okay, let's see how that sounds. I won't hold it back again, this passion inside, can't run from myself, there's nowhere to hide. The second way that I'm going to try and sing the second part of the pre-chorus is just keep it all in mix. I won't hold it back again, this passion inside, I can't run from myself, there's nowhere to hide. Now for the third way to sing the end of the pre-chorus, we're going to go mix into full belt on the word hide. Now this way I would suggest that it is best used for when in the second pre-chorus, when it goes into that really huge chorus and there's like they actually add a little bit more to the pre-chorus. I'll show you what I mean. I won't hold it back again, this passion inside, can't run from myself, there's nowhere to